Here's a quick overview of the Cosmos DB integration in Visual Studio. I'll go ahead and add a simple model class. I'll call it order. Let me paste in the order class and the shipping address. So, okay, the model class is added. Let me go ahead and quickly build this. Okay, things are good. Let's go ahead and scaffold out the API endpoints. So I select add new scaffold item. I select API with read-write endpoints. Select the model class that we just added. I'll call the endpoints class order endpoints. And for the data context, let's call it order context. And I'll enable the Open API. The default scaffolding for the endpoints will use the SQL Server. But in this case, since we are using Cosmos DB, once the scaffolding is complete, we will change the SQL Server to Cosmos DB. Okay, the scaffolding is complete. I'll first go in here into the connected services and let's start the Cosmos DB emulator. So I'll select Cosmos. So I select the Cosmos DB emulator, choose the container name as Cosmos DB. For the connection string, let me call it Cosmos DB connection string. This will install the NuGet packages and it will set the connection string for us. We'll open the program CS here. So you'll see that it is still using SQL Server. Let's change it so that it uses the new Cosmos DB emulator that we just started. So I paste in here, you'll see that the code is very similar. Rather than use SQL Server, we changed it to use Cosmos. It uses the connection string and it tells what database to use. We'll add one more thing to the program CS, which is at the time of startup during development, we want the default database to be created. So we take the context and then we tell that ensure create database. So build this. There is one more additional step that is needed before we can actually use the Cosmos DB. That's you go to the connected services and you'll actually see there is an import the Ssl certificate option for the Cosmos DB. I'll go ahead and click that option. So you'll see we will download the certificate from the running container and it will help install the certificate. So now that we have set up the Cosmos DB, we should be able to just run this and use this app. So let's try it. So I have gone ahead and run the app here. Okay, the app has started up. Let's refresh. So we'll see that we have all the new endpoints at this time. We'll go and post a request to this new database. Click try out. So the models that we created, it is actually showing up here. So okay, we gave the name. I'll give an ID, street name. Okay, for the city, let's select a city. For the state, let's select Washington, zip code. Okay, and I'll go ahead and execute this. So we see that it has actually successfully inserted the data. How do we verify that it is inserted? So we can again go to connected services under the Cosmos DB. You'll see this new option, which is open in management portal. I click on this option. So it will automatically, so you will actually see that there is a certificate that we trusted. That's what is allowing us to go to HTTPS on the localhost 881. I'll go click on Explorer. So this is the database that we just created. There is the order context on the items. If I select the item here, you'll actually see that this is the customer information that we just entered, and this is the shipping address. This shows the Cosmos DB integration end-to-end. Please let us know what you think about the feature. Thank you for watching.